Have a look at the living room. Such a spacious living room with you get two sides of parallel platform in the kitchen. Very spacious master bedroom. Have a look at the bedroom. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you a sample flat tour of Kamdhenu Piratal by Kamdhenu. As you can see, I'm standing right inside the sales office. Now I'll be taking you outside, showing you the main road, the connectivity and the neighborhood of this project. But before going ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. So as you can see, I'm standing right in front of the sales office. Right behind me is the actual tower as well. Have a look at the actual tower. Also have a look at the neighborhood of the project. This road right here leads you to Eastern Express Highway. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 0.6 acres with single tower, ground plus 21 residential floors with a configuration of 2 and 3 BHK and Jodi option available. Talking about amenities, this project has 20 plus luxurious amenities including lab pool, gymnasium, clubhouse, library, kids play area, indoor game zone and many more. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located in Sector 13 Nerul near DY Patil with Thane Belapur Road at a distance of just 1 minute. Eastern Express Highway right in front of the project, as you can have a look. Palm Beach Road at a distance of just 8 minutes and Navi Mumbai International Airport at a distance of just 12 minutes. School, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Now let me give you this 2 BHK sample flat tour within carpet area of 716 square feet. As I enter, right here is your living room. Have a look at the living room. Such a spacious living room with so much of walkable space. Right here can be your dining space. So a 6 to 8 seater of dining space can easily accommodate over here. And then the best part of the living room that you get a nice balcony, a deck. You can easily enjoy your tea, coffee with an amazing view outside with your family. Spend some quality time. Moving ahead. As we go ahead, right here is your kitchen. So have a look at the kitchen. You get two sides of parallel platform in the kitchen and place for cabinet to store. So this is an open kitchen, but you can design your kitchen according to you. And then as we walk ahead, right here is your deck space. So for you to store your washing machine. Right here where your platform ends is your refrigerator space. So you can use this place for refrigerator. Now let's go check out the other rooms. As we walk ahead, right here is your common washroom. Again, a very spacious common washroom, which you get with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Now let's go check out the bedrooms. So this is your bedroom number 1. So this is your very spacious bedroom. It's a square-shaped bedroom, I assume, and a queen-size bed or a king-size bed, and still there'll be enough space. This wall right here can be used for wardrobe space. And then right in this room, you get half French window attached. Have a look at it. Now let's go check out the other rooms. So now we'll be checking out the master bedroom, but before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme, and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on Housey.com, so don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. Now let's go check out the master bedroom. As we move ahead, right here comes first your attached washroom. Again, a very spacious attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And then comes your very spacious master bedroom. Have a look at the bedroom. Such a spacious master bedroom. And then for ventilation and for good sunlight, here is your window. So you get half French window attached. So yes, every room in this house is very well planned, very well designed, and as you can see, this is square shape. So usually in square shape, you can design the house according to you and there's no wastage of space anywhere.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.